Now, as you probably already know, AI has been really taking off the last couple of months, but particularly OpenAI and Chat GPT has been getting loads of attention online recently, and thousands of businesses have already been starting to use Chat GPT. But how can the average, regular, everyday person use Chat GPT to make money? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you one of the fastest and easiest ways that anyone can use Chat GPT to make money online, and that's by using Chat GPT with the Fiverr marketplace. If you're new to my channel and you're wondering who I am, my name's Steve West. I'm the founder of entrepreneurnut.com. I'm a six-figure affiliate and I've been working online since 2013. I've been through the ups and downs over the years of growing a business online, and now I'm sharing what I've learned, what works and what doesn't work when it comes to having success in building an online business, as well as other money-making ideas when I come across them. Now, when we think about using ChatGPT to make money with Fiverr, we've got to bear in mind that ChatGPT is a language model, so you can't really use it to create images or things like that, but you can use it to write pretty much any type of content that you can think of. It can write code for you as well, which can be used in lots of different ways. It can also be integrated with chatbots and things like that. Now, if you don't already have an account with ChatGPT, you first have to head over here to openai.com, and you first need to go to this link here that says API, and then you go to this button here, sign up, and then you create your account. Once you've created your account, you then need to log into the ChatGPT portion of OpenAI via this link that I'm putting on the screen right now. And then once you first log in, this is what ChatGPT is going to look like. And you can write your prompts down here at the bottom, and that's when you can start to ask ChatGPT questions. So now in this video, I'm going to show you all the Fiverr gigs that would work really well with ChatGPT that you could potentially offer.
Awesome.
And then I'm also going to show you how you can also use ChatGPT itself to create your own Fiverr profile, so it's much more professional and so it stands out much more from the crowd and hopefully gets you more business.
Sounds good.
Now, when you first come over to Fiverr, there's loads of gigs here that Fiverr offer. Now, not all of them are going to be useful with ChatGPT, but a lot of them are. Now, what we're really interested in really is the writing services for the majority of people who don't have any other tech skills. But just to let you know, just in case you do have some tech skills, because ChatGPT can write code for you, you can also use ChatGPT for web development and mobile apps and things like that. So if you already have that skill as well, then you can use ChatGPT to massively speed up your work and offer those type of gigs on Fiverr. But if you're not a developer and don't have coding skills, then what you want to look at is the writing gigs, and this is anybody can do this. So for example, we have here article writing and blog post writing, and ChatGPT is awesome at that. Proofreading and editing, again, ChatGPT can do that. Resume writing, cover letters, LinkedIn profiles, ad copy, sales copy, ChatGPT can do all of this.
Sweet.
Social media copy. In a minute, I'm going to show you a couple of examples as well of how to use ChatGPT to do these type of services and what kind of prompts that you can put in to get the best type of results. But if we just continue here, book writing and ebook writing is again another really easy one that ChatGPT can do for you. Script writing even, podcast writing, creative writing, believe it or not. ChatGPT is actually really good at writing creative stories and poems even. I mean, I'm not a poet myself, but I asked ChatGPT to write a poem in the style of William Shakespeare just to see what it came up with, and it was really, really good. So it's quite surprising what it actually can do. So speech writing is another really good one. I mean, a lot of people hate writing speeches, like wedding speeches, best man speeches, or anything like that, and ChatGPT can do that for you in seconds, really, and you can make quite good money offering that service on Fiverr. Technical writing, again, ChatGPT is great at that, but bear in mind with ChatGPT, when we come back here, one thing to be aware of is what it says here is ChatGPT has limited knowledge of the world from events after 2021. So if you're offering this technical writing, so if you wanted to use it to write about a product that was made after 2021, then ChatGPT is probably not going to be able to do that very accurately. But prior to 2021, it can come up with really accurate technical writing. So just bear that in mind. It's a bit of a grey area to offer that one because you might get clients asking you to write about a product that's just been made. So I probably wouldn't offer that one myself. Job descriptions is a good one. White papers, website content, press releases, all these type of things. Now, so if we choose a gig to take a look at, I'm going to choose email copy to start with. So let's have a look here and see what type of things are offered. So we've got all these different freelancers here offering email copy and newsletter writing. So this person here, let's take a look at their profile. So we can see they've had quite a few orders in the past. They've got 7 orders in the queue, so they've got business. Now here, their basic package is £87. It's about $98, something like that. So for $98 US dollars, they're offering 1 to 4 emails and up to 400 words. Now the standard price is £130. It's about $145, and they're offering for that 4+ emails of your choice up to 600 words. And the premium service is $160. So that's about it's £160, about $190, and that's for ongoing work up to 700 words. So if we look at this one here, this is around about $95 that this person is charging for 1 to 4 emails, and Chat GPT can write that for you in like 5 minutes. So let's go over back to Chat GPT and say, for example, you've got a client who wants emails for their newsletter on keto. So I'm going to type in, write 5 email subject lines for the keto diet, and this is what Chat GPT has come up with. So these are the subject lines. So let's say we want an email about number 2. So we can ask Chat GPT, write the email for number 2, and boom, Chat GPT is going to come up with the email on the fly straight away.
Holy shit!
Now your client might want to use this email to recommend a product. So now we can ask Chat GPT to rewrite this email recommending a product. So I've asked Chat GPT to rewrite the email recommending the organic keto MCT protein powder with a call to action. And there we go. Chat GPT has rewritten this email and recommended the organic keto MCT protein powder in the article. So they've started to recommend it here, and then the email talks about other points for the keto diet, and then again it recommends the keto protein powder, and again here with a call to action and a discount, save 10%. So that's a really easy gig that you can offer to people on Fiverr. So let's come back to Fiverr and see what other gigs that we could potentially offer with ChatGPT to make money with Fiverr. So if we come back to our writing category, articles and blogs is an excellent one. You can easily do that with ChatGPT. So now if we choose somebody here, I go with this guy, not sure why he stands out. Maybe it's because we've got the same haircut perhaps.
Baldy.
But anyway, this guy, for £43, that's about $50, he's writing 500 words. For £87, that's about $9,500, 1,000 words, and premium, £130, it's about $150 for 1,500 words. And then ChatGPT can come up with that for you in minutes. Now I'm not going to show an example of article and blog writing in this video because I've already covered that quite extensively on my channel in another video all about how to write really high quality, really engaging blog posts and articles. Now I've also linked the video now on the card above, so if you're interested in offering writing gigs, I highly recommend you watch that video because I've gone through all the different prompts that you can use to get even higher quality engaging articles for blog posts. So if we come back and look for some other gigs, let's look for something different. Creative writing. Now, what are people offering here? Okay, this one stands out to me. I will write short stories for your NFTs. So I don't know a lot about NFTs, but I know what they are, and it's huge at the moment, and it's probably going to be here to stay, and it could be a massive industry. So it's possible that this is a really good opportunity to jump on here, especially when we see the price this person's charging. That's almost $100 for 300 words.
Say what?
And the standard gig is £175. That's almost $200 for 600 words. And a premium gig, this is over $300 for 1,000 words.
I can do that.
And what are they doing for this then? So the plot, the base story for your NFT collection based on your ideas or mine for $300. I mean, that sounds like something that ChatGPT can easally do.
Hell yes!
Right, now let's go back and see what else we could potentially offer within the creative writing space. Okay, I'll write erotic, customized stories. Trust me, that is something that I believe ChatGPT can probably write. I've not tried it.
Yeah, whatever.
But I would imagine that ChatGPT can come up with that as well, based on me asking ChatGPT a few weeks ago to write creative stories and poems. Not because I needed them, but I was just curious to what ChatGPT could do. So I imagine it could probably write that sort of content as well. I'm not going going to do that either on the video because I don't know if YouTube's going to like that or not. So give it a go yourself. Okay, poetry here. This is something I did try, and I can tell you Chat GPT can write really good poems. So 150 words is nothing for like $25. That's not bad money. $30 for £30 for 300 words. 500 words is about $65. Okay, so I've just asked Chat GPT to write a poem about an old man and a dog, and this is what it's written. So I'm not going to read it. If you want to read it yourself, you can pause the video and read it now, but it's actually a pretty good poem. Let's see how many words it is. If I highlight this and right click, I've got an extension, Chrome browser extension called Word Counter Plus. So that's going to tell me it's 214 words. So that's $25. Thank you very much in 2 minutes. Now I think you get the idea that you can pretty much try out almost any of these writing gigs, most of them. You can start a gig like this and use Chat GPT to help you. Now I'm not going to go through all of them because the video will just take forever, but I want to point out this as well. Recently Fiverr has also offered another category called AI services. So this is for not just Chat GPT services, but any type of AI that is currently around. So people can make images with AI and AI content editing or AI music videos and things like that. But there is also a category for Chat GPT applications. So we'll click on there and let's have a look what's offered here. So I will write, edit or spin your AI Chat GPT article or proofread your blog post. So that's a gig you could offer. So this person here, I will integrate Chat GPT API into your WordPress, Shopify or Wix. So for that, you're going to have some developer or coding skills for that one. So if you have those skills, then great, you could potentially offer this. But if you don't have that, then you're going to need to learn those skills first. So I'd stick with the writing jobs. It's going to be much easier. Now this is an interesting one. I'll be your tutor for Chat GPT. Now it doesn't actually take all that long to learn Chat GPT. Just play around with it for a few hours and you'll really get to grips with everything it can do, borrowing the coding side of Chat GPT, unless you already have those developer skills to be able to use that. But you know, I'm sure you could learn that fairly easily. I don't think it's probably all that hard. So this guy is offering, I will send you 20 prompt examples. I'll give you a 45 Chat GPT live tutorial for $70, almost $100, and I'll give you two 45-minute tutorials for £121. So that's a gig you can potentially do. Spend, you know, a day or half a day learning Chat GPT and you could offer that gig. So now let's say that you've decided to go with the first example we chose, email copywriting, and you're going to set up your profile. So you're creating a free account on Fiverr and set up your profile. So if we take a look at this person here, they have written sort of their list of offerings, but also down here, they've written this about the gig. And this is quite important that it comes across well and it's well written. So we could ask ChatGPT to do that for us. Okay, so I asked ChatGPT here to write a freelance description for my Fiverr gig for offering email newsletter copy. And this is what ChatGPT has come up with, and it's really good. So again, if you want to read this, you can just pause the video and have a read. Okay, so all Fiverr sellers always have this basic, standard and premium offering. So now I just asked ChatGPT to write me a basic, standard and premium offer for this gig, and this is what it came up with. So there it is, and you can just tweak it as you see fit. Now, if you want to learn 3 more ways to earn money with ChatGPT, then this is the next video that you want to watch. In this video, I show 3 easy methods to make money with ChatGPT, but bear in mind, method number 1 is all about Fiverr, which you now already know. So feel free to jump ahead to 8 minutes and 42 seconds in the video and start watching methods 2 and 3. Enjoy.